This video examines the Supreme Court case of C.P. Reyes Hospital versus Geraldine M. Barbosa, decided on April 16, 2024. Associate Justice Antonio T. Co. Jr. served as the ponente. This landmark en banc decision harmonizes conflicting jurisprudence regarding back wages for illegally dismissed probationary employees, reaffirms constitutional security of tenure, and clarifies the reinstatement rule. Barbosa entered a 6-month probationary contract as a training supervisor. Her path included rotations as a staff nurse and ward head, with a requirement to maintain an 80% average score for regularization. Despite achieving scores above 80%, Barbosa was terminated for unsatisfactory performance. Crucially, evidence revealed the allegations of poor performance were created after the termination notice was served. The dispute began with her contract in September 2013. The termination notice followed in November, with a negative report written after the fact in December, leading to the filing of an illegal dismissal complaint in January 2014. The legal journey saw the labor arbiter rule the dismissal illegal, the NLRC rule it valid, and ultimately, the Court of Appeals overturned the NLRC, finding the evaluative letters were afterthoughts. The Supreme Court affirmed the dismissal was illegal. The court held that standards were met, due process was violated by uncommunicated evaluations, and dismissal was too severe for explained absences. The court resolved a conflict between two rules for calculating back wages. It abandoned the rule limiting back wages to the unexpired contract portion, favoring instead the rule covering back wages up to finality of judgment. The rationale emphasizes that security of tenure protects all employees. The court reasoned that an illegal termination cannot cap back wages, and absent the dismissal, the employee likely would have attained regular status. The new doctrine confirms that illegally dismissed probationary employees are entitled to back wages until the finality of the judgment, rather than being limited solely to the end of their probationary period. The final awards include back wages from 2014 until the decision's finality, separation pay in lieu of reinstatement, legal interest of 6%, and holding the hospital solely liable. In conclusion, this case reaffirms that probationary tenure is real, equality in remedy applies to probationers, and post-dismissal reports are considered weak evidence by the court. The images used in this video were sourced from Magnific, Nevada State, and Points North.